Hey, what's up guys? Matt here, and today we're just cutting hay. This is kind of a couple day video because we're doing a whole series. You know, we're just showing you how we do the hay, and we're gonna start off with cutting this field right here. And so, but first I kind of need to adjust this right in here. I'll show you soon, but this right here adjusts the tilt of it, and I don't want it to tilt. And so if I don't put a pin in there, then it'll just be a pain. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Pop this pin out right here, and there you go. Alright, now I'm going to pop it into mowing mode. So just going to pop this back here, just like that. There you go. Got there. So let's start mowing and rip and roll. So we're not cutting this field quite yet. There's a field back there that we're gonna hit up, and then we're gonna see about this field. We're definitely gonna cut it. I don't know if me or my dad's gonna be cutting it, so I don't know. Just a little disclaimer, this is my first time ever cutting hay by myself, so I might mess up. I hope that's not foreshadowing or anything, but you never know. I'm gonna swing out, get right there. Start lower right here, around 15, engage PTO and hope nothing goes kaboom and breaks right away. There it goes, we're going to go up to 540. Go clockwise, yeah, clockwise. It's honestly kind of fun so far. That's pretty straight. I mean, not terrible, not too good though. So I'm gonna swing out. Might need to back up for my first try. Definitely will need to back up for my first try. 100%. That was terrible. my first time cutting hay all by myself. So, see you when we're raking. Hey guys, it's Saturday, like 3 days later, 4 days later. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 4 days later than when we just cut it. And we're out here right now, we're checking the moisture. It's been very, very cool. But thankfully there's been a little bit of a breeze. So, I don't know. Down here where it's thinner, it's very borderline. Like, it's kind of moist, but like it's dry. Like, I don't know, it's really weird. I feel like I could rake it. I'm gonna check down there where it's thicker. My guess is it's not gonna be ready, but we're gonna pop down there quick. All right, chew test. I don't know. It's kind of all the same. I feel like if it gets raked and turned over, it'll be better. Like, it's gonna be premium stuff in like 4 hours. So this is where it's thicker right here. It definitely helps that it was cut higher than it should have been cut. So, I mean, it's definitely okay to rake. Would I bale it right this second? Probably not. But let's walk down here where I know for sure it's like the thickest part. It's right over here. Like that's the leaves, the alfalfa leaves are crunchy. Dude, that's a little green for sure.
Yeah.
But it might be turned over. I don't know. Like, it's not super moist. It's very borderline. Very, very borderline. Here's a thick spot. I don't know. I think it's windy enough.
This is all wet.
Well, that's from dew. But I feel like if we turn it over with the rake, it should be windy enough that it will dry out. But I don't know, because like the rake that we use is one of those wheel rakes. So I don't know, it doesn't really like kick it up that much. More, man, this is a tough decision. Because like that is kind of green. I don't know. I think I'm gonna rake it though for sure. I might as well just get the rake, get it hooked up, get it out here, and then we'll see what we think. We're over here at the hay field. We got the rake hooked up here. Just gotta pop these off and such like. With this rake we get 3 swaths in one rake. So it's nice. It's perfect for this cutter. So let's give her a rip. I always try to keep it like partially off the ground. That way it, you know, doesn't get a bunch of the dirt and stuff in the hay, you know. We're gonna put it down more though. There you go. That is green. We need to go faster so it fluffs it up. We're gonna stick her. There you go. A lot better. I take every other. So 3, gonna hit up this 3 next. That way I don't have to raise and lower it every single time, you know? Because that hydraulics are slow. You know what? I'm gonna rake part of it. I'm gonna rake half of it. That way we have a 50-50 chance of doing it right, you know? Just gonna do every other pass here. Actually, I do know what to say. Let's go to Culver's, and then it might be dry, right, Sam? Sound like a good idea?
Yep.
Yeah, all right. See you at Culver's. Oh, that's low. We're at Culver's, we got our food. Got it the usual way that I usually get it. So we got his chicken tenders in there. It's delicious, man. We gave this hay some time to dry out here, so the boss said just rake it all, because we gotta do it now, right, Sam? Yep, so we just gotta do it. So let's go. Waiting a long time. It's like around 5:30 in the evening, just waiting for this stuff to dry because it's not hot out. So we're just baling the stuff that we know for sure is dry, and then we got the big farmers coming in and they're doing all like the wetter, you know, just that kind of hay because they wrap it and stuff, so it doesn't really matter for them. So my dad's already doing it. I'm gonna jump on the wagon and start stacking. I got some makeup work to do, so without killing my killed back, I'm gonna stack this all. Hey, look on the bright side. The bales are super nice and tight. I think that's a wet bale, so I'm not gonna stack that. I'm cutting the video right here, and that's why wet hay is a...
It appears that these pears are junk.
Ha ha ha, it appears that these pears...
Dude, I'm so funny.
That's not good. So, that's going on in the video. Just to appease David, that corny joke is going on the video. Anyways, that's absolutely why I hate working with wet hay. And even though the weather felt nice for us, the hay did not like it. So, alright folks, forgive me if I miss it. I don't know what's going on, if I'm gonna upload on Friday or not, because I'm gonna be gone this whole next week. So when you see this video, I'm gonna be gone. So, alright guys, that is it for today.
I'll see you when I see you next!
That's right, see you whenever I see you next. See ya!